this is another tutorial how Hamhomolayo Olalikon get to sewing tools, the drafting materials, and let's move to class. In today's tutorial, I will be putting you through on how to make use of the blackhead machine. You can see this particular one is on hold type, but it's still functioning. You may have different types, but the blackhead, that's what I'll be using to teach you how to fix invisible zipper on the clothes. I'll be making use of a piece to illustrate. Be rest assured that you get it. It's a simple model and simple way or method. That's what I'll be using for you today. Anyone can achieve it. You can use it on a bag, on a clothes, or whatever the project you have at hand. Just ensure that you take your time and don't be scared. It's very easy to accomplish. Remember, I said we are using invisible zipper. That's what we're going to use for this project. You can see where I'm pointing to. That's the feet of the machine. The machine comes with these particular feet, and this is for a straight line, but we are not going to use these straight line feet. We're going to change it to the zipper slippers. It's also called slippers or feet, some call it shoe. This particular one is for invisible zipper. It's quite different. It's for the manual type. We have the industrial one, but I'll change this now. Unscrew it. See what I'm doing? Unscrewing and removing that of the straight line one. Replace it with that of the invisible zipper. I'm going to fix it now. Ensure you fix it very well. Just be patient in fixing it. See, that's the feet I'm showing you now. That's the feet, or we call it slippers like I said, or shoe. You'll be well positioned. They are quite different from each other. We have them in different design, different type of feet, but this is for the invisible zipper. And now I'm fixing it from the back. Make sure it's well positioned. Don't be in a rush so that you'll be able to accomplish your project very well. Unscrew that place. See, unscrew it, then tighten it back. When you fix it, make sure it's well fixed. Fix it very well, tighten it, don't let it remove. Then see the seat. You place it and ensure that the needle goes straight inside the hole where I'm pointing into. There's a hole there, you know, that helps in stitching. Positioning, make it close to that fit. Don't let it break your needle. It shouldn't be too close, but quite a little bit close to the fit. You see, it's going inside with ease. That's how to position it, and unscrew that of the back, and that one too will help you to adjust the fit. I'm adjusting it. Screw it gently. Just do it gently and place it well. The back is also to help you to place the feet, that is the slippers, very well. This will not, allow your needle to break, and will give you a very good and excellent outcome. See the way I'm really doing it to make sure that I have a very good work, a very good output. Because if that one is not well done, you won't be able to get a good result. Then screw it back, tighten it back, let it be well tightened. Yes, tighten it very well, because while sewing, if it's not well tightened, it can remove. See, I'm checking it if it's well positioned. The slippers is quite close to the needle. That's what I'm trying to do. This is very, very essential so that all will go well while sewing. Tightening it the more. As a beginner, you have to do that. See, I have my invisible zipper. This is how it looks. If you don't know how it looks, this is how it looks. It's a very, very beautiful zipper. I love using it. Can you see? Love using it. It's beautiful and makes your work excellent. Now, this is the piece I'm going to make use of. I've sewn it together with 0.5 inch. Sew it together and press it with a pressing iron. You open it up and press it, open it like that. Use iron to press it. You see, that will be a very good guide when you want to add the zipper before you sew it. Then you place the zipper appropriately. You have the front and the back, that is where the particular area goes inside the clothes or the garment or whatever you're sewing, and the other side goes to outside. Yes, see the way I position it. You place it right inside. Where it should be sewn will go inside, and where the other parts will be outside the garments. You follow through. It's so easy to achieve. I've used 0.5. That's why it's so close to the edge of the piece. See, you place your zipper appropriately close to it, to the edge, and if you're using an hinge, you should know that some part will be outside. Then use a pin to pin it down. As a beginner, you have to do that. That will make it easy for you to sew. I'm using pin to attach it together before sewing. Just take your time. You have to do it patiently. Use the pin. It's very easy and it's one of the best way to fix the zipper. Anyone can achieve it, like I said. Just take your time. You see, that is it. Now we'll sew it at the edge, very close to the tip. Now, as we position it close to the needle, we have the teeth of the zipper, which you have to be careful when you are sewing so that it won't break your needle. Make sure it's well positioned. I'm taking my time to explain this because some find it difficult, but this is a very simple way to achieve this work. See, before you do that, sometimes, most of the time, I iron it. I iron that place. I will open the teeth and press it down, then press it down so that my sewing will be very close to the teeth. Very, very close to the teeth. But as a beginner, just don't go close to the teeth so that your needle will not break. But with time and consistency, you'll be much more better and improve. Consistency, you know, makes you an excellent tailor or excellent fashion designer or whatever you may call it. It's so easy. You see now, like I said, I've pressed it and I want to join it together with the fabric. Be patient, just match the machine gently. It's easy, just gently. It's not like the normal zipper, it's invisible, so you have to be careful and move gently. So easy. Gently position it well. When it's well positioned, you achieve a good work. Now I've joined that part together. I've sewn it to it. See how it looks. Very close to the teeth, but not too close. Very close to the teeth. Yes. Check it out. It's so close to the teeth and neat. It makes work neat. Invisible work. The zipper makes your work very neat. This is the other side of the piece. But let me first zip up the zipper so you see how it looks. You see, when you zip it, I'm removing the pin. Yes. And now zip it up. See the way it looks. Yes. Ooh. Yeah. So close to the teeth, but not too close. That is just it. Now I'm going to attach it to the other side of the piece. You pin it the way I did the first one. Yes, just follow that line and you join it together. Take your time. Don't be in a haste. You're just learning it. And you sew gently. Like I instructed, when you first start learning, you sew gently. Just match the machine gently. Just follow through the line, the 0.5, and match your machine gently. You can, in this tutorial, in my class, always believe that you can. You have the power, you have the strength. I'm through with the sewing, the stitching together. Now you can see you open up. Let's close the zipper and see how it looks. The finished aspect. See the way it looks. Zipper, invisible zipper is always lovely on clothes and garments. It's always beautiful. It makes the garments so close to each other, especially any pieces or dress. Wow, it's ready. I love it. Just iron it out and see how beautiful to achieve a zipper. Invisible zipper. I hope you enjoyed this class. This is a class you would like to share with your friends. And before we meet in the next class, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give it a thumb up. Bye bye.